Just got off work and I came home to this. So let's see what we got. Let's see why everybody struggles doing this one-handed. Let's see. Oh, that's a sign of what's to come. Box. This came all the way from Brazil, so it doesn't seem packaged very well to come all the way from there. That's what it is. Smart 3. They gave me an offer I could not refuse. They go for about $305 for the cheapest I saw it. And they sent me an offer of like $265 or something. So I bought it. When I do my 412s, I was gonna do the Soundstream amps, but honestly, I really just don't want Soundstream in my car. So how I got these, they are at 1 ohm, but if I go to get 4 of them, they're already dual 4s, so I will only be able to wire them at 2 ohm or half an ohm. And that RP2000, I'm not so sure if it'll be so happy with half an ohm, and I don't want to ruin my warranty. And this one will do 3K on 1 or 2 ohms. So even though it's not very efficient at 2 ohms, should still work for what I need it to. Voila, there it is. Taramps Smart 3K. Dang, couldn't even give me a sticker. Packaged pretty well, doesn't look damaged. Super light. And that clip indicator is so much smaller than I thought. I mean, that thing is tiny. Look how little that thing is. Check that out. It's much tinier than I thought it was. But whatever. All I need is the light. So yeah, looking pretty good. It's got that seal right there. Okay, so big build's coming. It is coming. And I might just get another one of these for, I don't know, but that's it. All right, guys, stay tuned. I got some other little unboxings I'd like to do also. So, take care, y'all. Peace.